So this is an unboxing and first use of the Ukoke Cordless Rotary Tiller. So it comes in this box. There you go. These are the pieces you get out of it. Okay, let's just get this out of the way. Looks like you've got a take this thing apart. Pops out. See what we got here. There you go. There you go. Pretty sure you can see this. Okay, you've got the machine. Looks like a user manual, so you know how to figure it out. Oh, there you go. This is the business end. So you can put this over here. All you have to do is take the handle. Won't take long. Let's see. Flip it around. You see that? You can just take the thing and it's like you have to figure out which way is up here. Once you get it in, off you go to the races. There you go. Snap it. Okay, you really didn't see that, did you? Okay, so what we did is you have to take this piece here. Once you push it in order to get it to. I'm not going to take it apart now. It's like that's it. And once you got it going, then you. Looks like it comes with enough of a charge just to get it started. That didn't take but a minute. Once you got that going, it comes with the battery is actually attached to it when you buy it or when it comes out of the bag, which is interesting. You have the charger here. This is the piece that attaches to the battery, and you have a handle which you can, let's see here, the piece comes out like that so that you can adjust it. Once you pull this apart, use a tool to pull it apart actually, then you can attach the handle to here, which probably take me a little bit longer to do with you watching. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. There you go. That was actually pretty easy. So you have a handle. Put here. Once you get the thing going, take the handle. You can see these pieces here allow you to put that down, put this down, take the handle, you snap it in, pull it apart and snap it in actually. There you go. It just snaps in. You take this, the screw that came in with it, you find where it went the first time, slide it back in and through. It'll let that seat, and then you put this back. That didn't take too long. And you've got a handle. Now, obviously, you're not going to have the handle sitting on the top here. You're going to rotate it around to where it makes sense. And then you can use this piece here to rotate it back and forth so that you have it in an angle that you like. That's actually a good, actually I like this angle. It's on the top. I'll just tighten that up and you're done. The thing has a little push button on the side here so you can rotate the battery and the handle all at once, so you can rotate it for your comfort level. If you wanted to take the battery out, there's a little knob here, which I'm imagining all it means is once you hit it, you can yank it out like that, which means that you can then plug it into this thing and recharge it. That's it for the unboxing. Okay, this is fully assembled. Now let's see how it works. Final thoughts. The Ukoke Cordless Rotary Tiller is extremely easy to assemble, it's easy to use, and it does the job that it's rated to do. The only caveat is that you should use it on ground that isn't really hard and packed. You can use it in your garden bed, and you can use it on soil that is somewhat soft. Anything more difficult, and the tiller doesn't have the power to push down into that ground because it just isn't heavy enough, nor is the battery that strong that it'll last quite some time. Otherwise, it's a great little tiller to use for your garden beds. I would recommend it for that.